How to enable or disable predictive text on iPhone keyboard. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can actually enable or disable predictive text feature on your iPhone keyboard. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so the predictive text is actually the pretty handy feature that actually give you the best experience while you are typing. Now, to enable or disable this feature, you just need to open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down, tap on keyboard right here. And from this page, just scroll down and he'll get to see the predictive text. You can enable this option in order to turn on this feature. Also, if you want to turn off, you can toggle off this option to disable. And this is how you can enable or disable predictive text on an iPhone keyboard. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.